Today's bike of the week is a 2018 Indian Chieftain Limited with the 116 cubic inch Thunderstroke Stage 3 Big Bore Kit. The Big Bore Kit increases your power plant by 20 horsepower and 15% more torque, quicker acceleration, and increased torque without sacrificing reliability. This kit contains everything you need, including new cylinders, big bore pistons, larger throttle body, and more. Plus, this one already has a Stage 1 Indian intake and exhaust pre-installed on it. Everything is ready to go for your ride this summer. Stop in to check out this bad boy at Indian Motorcycle of Sioux Falls today.